खुश रहो बेटिया. I, JBN Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. We have earlier session we have discussed about JavaScript, and you have seen syntax of JavaScript and how to use JavaScript in the body section and as well as head section. So now we will see of this class is declaring, creating variables and other some important facts of JavaScript. So declaring, creating variables in JavaScript is: variables are placeholders. You can create or declare them in JavaScript by using the var keyword. Var x semicolon, and then you have to care about semicolon. It is create syntax error. So you can also assign values to the variables when you declare them where x is equal to 5. Yeah, otherwise where car name is equal to Volvo. Text requires quotes. If you if you write code, if you write character or text, then you have to put quotes also. If you assign values to variable that have not yet been declared, the variables will automatically be declared. X is equal to 5, car name is equal to Volvo. Okay, so how maths and logic is written in JavaScript. So JavaScript support the following operators like mathematical operator, plus, minus, multiplication, division, remainder, um, postfix, prefix, decrement, increment, logical operator like and, or, not, greater than, less than, etc. So where x is equal to 10 and you have written y is equal to 2, then where is equal to x by y. String can be concatenated with the sign plus. Where text 1, what a very, where text 2 is your nice day. Then if you want to concatenate them, then you have to put uh, plus between them. So like text 1 plus, then you have to put quotes, and then you have to write plus text 2. After adding these, after concatenated these two text, it gives the result what a very nice day. Okay, so note, if you add a number and a string, the result will be a string. जो whatever you add, if you add a number and a string, then its result will be a string form. Okay, so now we will see some selection like if loop. So selection, in selection the first statement is if. We will see how to write if statement in the JavaScript. So script type is equal to text JavaScript, as you have seen earlier session, and then comment are very important. If the time, then good morning greeting, otherwise you will get a good day greeting. Where d is equal to new date, where time is equal to d dot get hours. If time is less than 10, then document dot write good morning, else document dot write good day, and then script close. Okay, so you uh, you can see how to write if statement in JavaScript. Okay, the next statement in JavaScript is called loop, so which is called repetition, and then here is this program how to use the loop in JavaScript. So first of all you have to open the JavaScript, script type is equal to text JavaScript, then this script show the two common types of loops: the for loops for use before the how before the where whatever you want to give the statement. So here I have given where counter is equal to 1 and counter less than is equal to 5 and plus counter, that means increment value. So you have to open the curly bracket if you want to give some message, then write document.write counter plus bracket and then close the curly bracket. Okay, but if you want to give the while loop, then you have to write like this, where I is equal to true, while I is equal to true, then you can write I is equal to window dot confirm, redisplay this dialog box and close the curly bracket and then close the script. Okay, in the next is a pop-up box. How to create pop-up box on JavaScript. So as you have seen, some of JavaScript's interactive abilities come from the use of pop-up boxes. There are three general kinds: alert some text, confirm some text and return true or false, and prompt some text default value and return user enters as answer. Okay, the next the property of JavaScript is changing page properties. Remember, the document of object model of JavaScript allows you to change the properties of a page, like CSS sheet, that means cascading style sheet. So here is a head link, there is the text coding of CSS, how to write the CSS syntax, and then you have to start script type. After CSS link, you have to write script type and then start your function swap CSS. If documents get elements by ID, CSS sheet href default.css, and then as document get elements by ID, CSS sheet default.css, and then close the script value and then close the head. So here is how powerful is JavaScript. It is possible to do simple and complex animation and even games in JavaScript. You can create vector images in JavaScript. You will need to download a special library. You can load and swap bitmap or JPG GIF images natively. Timing the image swaps can be done using the built-in set timeout method. T is equal to set time out. JavaScript statement is millisecond. Example, simple animation 1.html, simple dot animation 2.html. Okay, so here is it. So thank you class. I hope you like my session. If you have any query, please comment below. This session is provided by Digital Version 2.0 from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you.